Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Product Review Top 5. When it comes to modern cooking convenience and versatility, electric ovens have become an essential kitchen appliance. Whether you're a passionate home chef or just looking for a reliable way to prepare delicious meals, the right electric oven can make all the difference. In this guide, we will explore the top 5 best electric ovens available on the market today, each offering a unique set of features and capabilities to meet your culinary needs. From sleek and stylish designs to advanced cooking technologies, these ovens have been carefully selected to help you bake, roast, broil, and more with precision and ease. Join us as we delve into the world of electric ovens and discover the perfect cooking companion for your kitchen. Number 5. OLOEY D132A1 Electric Oven. The stainless steel construction of the OLOEY D132A1 not only gives it a sleek and modern appearance, but also ensures durability. The horizontal layout is not only visually appealing, but also maximizes the oven's interior space. The build quality is solid, and it feels like a premium appliance that will last for years. One of the standout features of this oven is its 4 heating elements, which provide even and consistent heating throughout the cooking process. Whether I'm baking, roasting, or broiling, this oven has proven itself to be a reliable workhorse. It heats up quickly, and I've found that it maintains the set temperature accurately, resulting in perfectly cooked dishes every time. The mechanical timer control is straightforward and user-friendly. It allows me to set the cooking time with ease, and I appreciate that it doesn't require a steep learning curve or any complex programming. The controls are intuitive, making it suitable for both experienced cooks and beginners. Number 4. XMSJ DF48B Electric Oven. The stainless steel construction of this oven not only looks sleek, but also feels sturdy and durable. It blends well with my kitchen's decor and adds a touch of modern elegance. The horizontal design provides ample cooking space, and the oven door closes securely, ensuring that heat is retained for efficient cooking. The DF48B boasts 6 heating elements, which I find to be quite impressive. It heats up quickly and evenly, which is crucial for baking and roasting. I've noticed that my dishes come out uniformly cooked with a perfect balance of crispiness and tenderness. Whether I'm making cookies, roasting a chicken, or baking a pizza, this oven delivers consistent and delicious results every time. I appreciate the simplicity of the mechanical controls and the mechanical timer. It's easy to set the temperature and cooking time, and I don't have to fumble with complicated digital interfaces. The oven also maintains the set temperature accurately, so I can trust it with my most delicate recipes. Number 3. OLOEY PT3540 Electric Oven. The PT3540 boasts a sleek stainless steel exterior that not only looks modern, but also adds durability to the appliance. It's a horizontal oven, which is perfect for baking and roasting, and it fits seamlessly into my kitchen setup. The build quality feels solid, and the oven's compact design is ideal for smaller kitchens. With 4 heating elements, this electric oven provides even and consistent heating, ensuring that my dishes are cooked to perfection. It has a power rating of 1201 to 1500 W, which means it heats up quickly and maintains the desired temperature throughout the cooking process. I've used it for baking, roasting, and even broiling, and it has never let me down. The PT3540 offers a generous 31 to 40 L capacity, making it suitable for a variety of dishes and batch cooking. It comfortably accommodates a 12-inch pizza or a medium-sized turkey for holiday gatherings. While it may not be the largest oven on the market, it's more than sufficient for everyday cooking needs. Number 2. YunlinLi M60A Electric Oven. The first thing that caught my eye was its sleek and modern design. The stainless steel finish gives it a premium look, and it blends seamlessly with my kitchen decor. The build quality is solid, and you can tell it's made to last. The 60-liter capacity is more than generous for a household oven. Whether you're cooking for a family dinner or hosting a small gathering, this oven can handle it all. I've baked large batches of cookies, roasted whole chickens, and even cooked a pizza without any issues. The spacious interior is a real asset. The YunlinLi M60A delivers consistently excellent results. It heats up quickly, and the temperature control is precise, ensuring that your dishes come out perfectly cooked every time. I've noticed that it distributes heat evenly, which is crucial for baking. The only minor downside is that the oven can be a bit noisy when it's running, but it's not a deal breaker by any means. Number 1. XMSJ K35FK807 Electric Oven. The XMSJ K35FK807 boasts a sleek and modern design with a stainless steel exterior that not only adds elegance to my kitchen, but also ensures durability. The vertical style saves counter space, making it suitable for smaller kitchens. The build quality is solid, and it feels well constructed. With its 1201 to 1500 W power rating, this electric oven heats up quickly and maintains a consistent temperature. The two heating elements, one for the upper tube and one for the lower tube, provide versatile cooking options. I appreciate the independent temperature control, which allows me to customize the cooking temperature for different dishes. It has a 31 to 40 L capacity, which is ample for most cooking needs. The mechanical controls are straightforward and easy to operate, making it accessible for beginners and experienced cooks alike. The mechanical timer control is a handy feature, preventing overcooking. However, I would have liked to see a digital timer for more precise timing. Thanks for watching this video.